Do you actually know how long a transaction actually takes from like once you get under contract to the day I give you some keys? Well, if you meet me on, let's say January, and unless I can find the all be all, and sometimes I can, I get lucky sometimes, or you actually are, buyers actually fully tells me exactly what they want and I can go find it, I can have your house within 45 days. But traditionally, if I meet you, it's gonna take us about 60 days to get you into a home, because here's the deal. First, we gotta find you a home. Second, we're gonna write a contract. That contract's gotta get accepted. Then you gotta have an inspection. We gotta turn in money to the earnest. We gotta get an appraisal. The lender's gotta do underwriting, a variety of different things. And hopefully you're getting in touch with the lender and you're staying in touch with the lender and doing what they say. But whatever the case may be, then you go through final underwriting. And final underwriting, all that is to tell us that we've got a contract that the buyer and seller can sign and make it one, and then I can hand you some keys. With that being said, if you want to go through that process with me, and I would love for you to go through it with me, give me a call, give me a message, whatever the case may be, and let's talk about some real estate. Y'all have a great day.